ZS stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And with ZS, I can confidently tell you that my most recent prediction that I called out was so on point. This might even seem fake, but that's why I'm here to kind of show you the proof, right? So here's the proof. Is this the video? It was this video was made 8 months ago. Yes, 8 months ago, when the price was sitting at 162. I looked, I wanted it to pull down, you know, and give me some sort of a shift in a double break so then I can take it up. And this is like ultimately how they'll look like on the weekly chart, right? 8 months ago, and I'll look at the weekly chart currently. With the price delivered. With all that to say is that it's about to freaking reach the top, and the only thing that I'm looking to do is, like, even on the lower time frame, just willing to double down and buy more as long as there is enough volume, right, and volatility. But if no rules are met, then why the heck would I be buying? It's really simple, right? Like, no reason to force anything. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free